You know, you can use this to fix the floor. Let's do it. Okay, cut it off. We put another tape on here, side by side. We take off the film. And then you just put a piece of 2x4 on it. You can just press it and use the hammer to knock it. You can see it's moving. Now you can see that the job is done. So easy, right? Just by the tape, and you want to fix the floor, very easy. It's very sticky, I just barely can move it. Okay. Now you see some wood chips is on this one. This stuff is so amazing. Okay, just take this one off. And actually you can reuse it. So if it's not sticky as the new, so you just wash it, use water, and then you can use that again. Use on another piece of flooring, you can fix it. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.